Step into a world of nostalgia and innovation with the Divoom D2 Retro Pixel Art Game Bluetooth Speaker. As a lover of all things retro and tech-savvy, discovering this gem was like stumbling upon a hidden treasure. And let me tell you, it's a treasure worth every penny. The D2 speaker exudes retro charm with its sleek design and vibrant 16 by 16 LED display. Whether you're a child of the 80s or simply appreciate classic pixel art, the D2's nostalgic appeal is undeniable. It's like having a piece of retro gaming history right on your desk or shelf, ready to transport you back to simpler times with just a glance. But don't let its vintage-inspired exterior fool you. The D2 is packed with modern features that make it a powerhouse of entertainment. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can easily stream your favorite music, podcasts, and more from your smartphone or tablet, delivering crisp, clear sound that fills the room with ease. Plus, the built-in microphone allows for hands-free calling, making it perfect for conference calls or catching up with friends and family. However, the real magic happens with the D2's app-controlled LED display. With the Divoom app, you can unleash your creativity and customize the display with your own pixel art creations, animations, and even play retro-style games right on the screen. It's like having a canvas for your imagination, allowing you to express yourself in pixel-perfect detail. In conclusion, the Divoom D2 Retro Pixel Art Game Bluetooth speaker is a must-have for anyone who appreciates the perfect blend of retro nostalgia and modern technology. With its stunning design, powerful sound, app-controlled LED display, and portability, it's a true standout in the world of Bluetooth speakers. Whether you're a music lover, gamer, or pixel art enthusiast, the D2 is sure to delight and inspire. It's more than just a speaker. It's a work of art. Please click the link in the description below to get more discount and detail of the product. Cheers!